I'm Miguel.
And we're from Bradford, Ontario.
Welcome to our home.
What made me choose Ciao Bella Pizza Ovens was we looked at the reviews. The look of the pizza oven was perfect for our backyard decor, and we were really happy with their customer service, and I think that was the main point at first.
Yeah.
And everything else followed. Our experience purchasing from Ciao Bella Pizza Ovens was really smooth. We actually purchased during a promotion, so it was really easy to do online, and we got it delivered right to our doorstep, so it was quick, easy, smooth.
Why would we recommend pizza ovens? We actually already have recommended it to our family and friends. They love it. I would say look at the build, look at the design, and it's just, the functionality of it is incredible. I'm completely happy with it. We'll highly recommend it.